it over before. She's curled under, her arms are shoulder width, and she's doing deep posterior lateral breathing. So again, I want to check that she's not breathing into her shoulders, but really spreading her ribs. On an inhale, I don't feel too much. Come on, big, 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 like a balloon. And then on the exhale, she curls her tailbone under more and really activates from the lower abs. So do that a few times. Really see if you can activate. And even though you're not moving, curl your sitting bones. Remember, I used the image of the fishing reel. Pushka, you're in the way. And curl the tailbone under. Good. So now, on the next exhale, everybody, you're going to take a breath and come up onto all fours. So really round the back, pull the head down the tail under, and come onto a cat stretch. Right. So you're on all fours. You may need to adjust your hands slightly under your shoulders. And really, here's that curled shape that we did in the posture check. So I'm checking Andrea, and her right shoulder is really pulling up by her ears. So I want her to activate those lats. And I'd like you to oscillate in this shape like you're doing knee stretch. So you're going to roll forward on an inhale, stay around, and oscillate back and forth. And just feel that stretch with the belly pulling high and tight into the low back. Good. And then settle so that your hips are over your knees, your shoulders are over your wrists, and you're going to reverse your curve. So here's the arched position. And in the arched position, the shoulders are pulling back and down, and the breastbone is pulling forward, and the tummy is lifted even though the spine is arched. Go ahead and exhale round again. Drop the head and tail. Really curl that tailbone under. So another image I use for the low abs is zippering up a tight pair of jeans that just came out of the dryer. You all know that, what that feels like. And go ahead and release. Inhale. That's it. And once again, exhale, scoop and hollow, head down, tail under, and release. Arch the spine. Draw the breastbone forward even as you sit back like a dog. Inhale. Slide your hands out, forehead back to the start position. And just do a little body scan here. Bend your elbows and relax. Just do a little body scan. Hopefully your body feels a little more open than it did. Yeah. So now we're going